How to transplant yucca plants. The yucca is a type of perennial tree or shrub. It is common throughout the southern U.S. and thrives in dry climates. Though yucca plants have edible fruit, they are typically grown strictly for ornamental purposes due to their stark silhouettes and massive flower blossoms. Yuccas can be easily planted and grown by transplanting a yucca plant from an established garden or from a wild patch of yuccas. Incorporate the transplant into your landscape for an exotic and hardy addition to your garden. Things you will need: shovel, shade cloth, Step 1. Select a location where you wish to place the transplanted yucca. Yuccas do best in dry, well-drained soil in areas that receive full sun. Take a shovel and break apart the soil into loose lumps. Step 2. Use the shovel to dig around your yucca plant. If you are transplanting just a portion of the yucca plant, break off one of the yucca's rooted stalks. If you are transplanting the entire plant, dig straight down with the shovel. Work your way at an angle toward the center of the yucca plant. Try to keep most of the roots intact, although yuccas are extremely resilient and will quickly regenerate a root system. Step 3. Replant the yucca in the spot you chose in Step 1. Bury the yucca stalk or entire plant to the depth that it was originally, using the dirt line on the plant's stem as an indicator. Make sure the plant is oriented in the same direction as it was originally. For example, if the plant originally faced west, plant the transplant facing west. The plant will have become more sun tolerant on certain sides, and reorienting the plant can result in sunburns on its leaves. Step 4. Cover the yucca plant with a shade cloth. Such cloth can be purchased at most nurseries or garden supply stores. Step 5. Water around the yucca plant until the soil is damp to the touch. Avoid overwatering, evidenced by pools of water. Water daily until the plant sprouts new growth on its stems. New growth means the plant is established in its new spot. When you see new growth, remove the shade cloth and reduce watering to once or twice a week.